What's up, guys? It's Taylor from Bag Riders and Wilson from Bag Riders. Today we're gonna do a few things. We need to get to put this on the engine stand, but we gotta move all of that stuff so that we can get the E30 in here. We gotta get some bolts into the back of this thing, get it on the engine stand, because I'm sick of hunching over or sitting on that chair to get.
Definitely.
I'm gonna guess what it is. What is it? Let me look at it. Oh, it's M10.
M10. Always gotta double check yourself though. You never know.
Try one of these. Yeah. Okay. Yep.
That was about to be gone.
We're gonna write that down in our heads and probably forget it. So. Meanwhile, at Bag Riders, you may have seen in that time lapse a UPS freight truck pull up, unexpected freight shipment. What do we got going on right now outside, Wilson?
Outside? Oh, we got some pallets coming in.
Thanks for letting us know, Kevin, that there's a shipment coming in. We're gonna have to move that giant hunk of scrap metal. Right now, we're trying to secure this drive shaft so it can still kind of spin.
I think that's going on.
Take this thing off the lift, Taylor said. It'll be fun. Yeah, that's actually, dude, that's actually pretty high confidence in that. Welcome to Bag Riders Storage Wars.
Up here.
Everything up here is for sale, so if you see something you want, make an offer. A complete set would be really good track wheels. They're remans. Locked out of park.
Taylor's checking if the car's in neutral, you know? Gotta be in.
Oh. Oh yeah. When you said that, I was like,
Yeah.
We got some parts for the cooling system on the 7 Series, and UPS decided to just repackage it when one of the coolant jugs looks like it ruptured in there, and we gotta take it apart and figure out what's salvageable and what we need to replace.
Sweet, you don't even need a knife to open this thing.
Okay,
So what do we got there? Yeah, a little sussy.
I mean, I'm not too worried. Hey.
Looks like we got one. We got one good one.
Is that good?
Yeah, that one.
Oh yeah, that's cool. And
This one's
the culprit. Oh. Whoa.
It's like someone stabbed it.
Yeah. What the That should be fine. It's just, you know,
Yeah,
this is literally the fluid that goes in them. So thermostat. That's like maybe an inner. I don't know where that one goes. Coolant hoses for the turbos. I think an auxiliary water pump for the turbos, I believe. Some more miscellaneous coolant hoses.
Should we send this back to him?
Good thing I ordered 2. Yeah. Wilson and I gotta shorten these bolts for the engine stand that may or may not collapse under the weight of the boat anchor. I have very little confidence in this engine stand's ability to hold this thing up.
So these are the downpipe setup?
Don't show that to the EPA. Don't show that to the state of Vermont. If I was a betting man, I would bet that that stand is gonna deflect like
It's short though, which is nice. I don't know, we'll find out, right?
What do you say, guys? Not bad for an engine stand that I've had since 2010, 2009. Seen some shit. Seen a lot of Honda motors, that's for sure. I think what we're gonna be doing is finally got a set of inverted Torx. We're gonna start pulling some more stuff off of here, get these heads ready so that when I get this timing tool in, I can pull the heads off, send them out to get just cleaned up and probably decked. We don't know yet. And then we'll probably maybe start taking apart the turbos. I got some new turbo cartridges. I'm trying to keep the budget down, and new cartridges for the turbos were significantly cheaper than going with upgraded turbos. We'll probably just keep the downpipes with the stock exhaust for now, see how that sounds. Maybe cut the suitcases out the back, but that's something for a later date. We will be continuing the teardown of this thing. Pretty exciting.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. I mean, you see the water pump comes kind of right there. Water pump looks good. Alright, so we made a baby step in the engine department. We're about to take apart these little turbo whistlers. Basically, I got new wastegate flaps and cartridges. So, turbo building pow wow.
What brand is that? Turbo cartridge.
It's free turbo cartridge, man.
No. Anything?
Yeah.
Nothing.
Just gonna spray some PB blaster in here, and the next time you see these turbos, hopefully they'll be apart. Or I'll be paying somebody to do it.
Might need to do some internet research.
We're gonna call it right here. See you guys on the next one.
Bye.
Peace out.